Our Stewardship Department at East Bay Regional Park District monitors environmental health for many reasons, one of which is to protect habitat for a big diversity of species, from mountain lions to endangered pallid manzanitas to endangered salt marsh harvest mice. We monitor rare and endangered plants to protect their populations and also manage invasive plants to make sure they don't take over habitat for other species. We monitor breeding of animals like prairie falcons, and sometimes we recreate habitat that's been lost to development, like building nesting islands for endangered birds like California least terns. Pond surveys help us keep track of rare or endangered species like California red-legged frog, California tiger salamander, and western pond turtles. Testing water to make sure it's clean and free of things like cyanobacteria and E. coli is another critical part of what we do. We test drinking water, wastewater systems, water after municipal sewage spills, and water quality at swim beaches to make sure it's safe for playing, swimming, boating, and fishing. We stock fish for recreational fishing in a number of lakes throughout the district and host community fishing derbies. Our waterways don't just replenish reservoirs for urban use, but are also critical habitat for many types of fish. Regular surveys help us keep an eye on the population health of species. We always have restoration and habitat projects happening in parklands. Stream restorations are a way we keep our watersheds healthy, and we have multi-use restoration areas like Oyster Bay. This park used to be a landfill, but now you can bike, picnic, play frisbee golf, and there's a site that's been planted with nectar plants for adult overwintering monarchs because species conservation in the face of climate change is something we're always thinking about. Our grazing program is a major tool to manage how climate change affects where we live. Without it, we'd have much more dry, dead vegetation in our parks that would lead to far more devastating fires. We support the Park District's fire department to do fuels removal, such as controlled burns or manual removal of plants, to supplement the work that happens through grazing. Without this management, areas become overgrown and can catch fire more easily. Thinning these areas clears the understory and helps prevent out-of-control wildfires. When we do fuels management, we also reduce invasive or introduced plants. This gives other plants a chance to grow, like our beautiful native wildflowers. People come from all over to see these displays, and it makes for incredible springtime hiking. When we have healthy ecosystems and lots of plant diversity, we also have better habitat for wildlife. Seeing wild animals in the parks is such a treat, and you will always find something amazing happening. Our Stewardship Department supports park staff and collaborates with other land stewards in Alameda and Contra Costa counties. We're proud to do this work to help our East Bay ecosystems thrive.